Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Maswera say. So the Standard reports that aspiring ZANU-PF officials, legislators in Harare are snubbing Emerson Mnangagwa's campaign events ahead of the 2023 August elections, despite the ruling party presidential candidate investing heavily onto them to woo voters. An internal document has revealed. So what happened is that the provincial chairperson of ZANU-PF wrote to the candidates who are in the Harare region, actually telling them to take President Mnangagwa's rallies seriously. So what is happening is that these legislators are being accused of snubbing President Emerson Mnangagwa or sabotaging the campaign of President Emerson Dambozo Mnangagwa. So I wanted to actually open this, but because of network challenges, we cannot open this article for us to actually read the contents of the internal document. But I saw that document somewhere, and these are the contents which I just explained. So they are accusing these Harare candidates of insubordination, saying that they are doing less to make sure that President Mnangagwa wins these elections. Remember that the ZANU-PF candidates know very well that they have no door, or they don't have any chance in Harare to win their seats. So they are in ZANU-PF only to make money. When you see them running for office in Harare, they are just doing it to make money. For an example, in 2018, they ran in Harare, they got defeated, they got the cars. After 5 years, those cars were declared theirs. Right now, they ran again, they got my latest vehicles, my Nissan Navara, my GD6, Toyota, whatever brand they got. And after 5 years, those vehicles will be theirs as well. So the benefits they are getting, I'm told that each one of them allegedly got 20,000 United States dollars for the campaigns moma constituents avo, which means it's a vehicle plus 20,000 plus fuel yaari kuwana netumwe tudiki twavanenge vachinhonga mukati zvikanzi the latest revelations confirm Mnangagwa's fears of a protest vote that have seen him leaning heavily on parallel structures to spearhead his campaign for a second and final term. A shadow group known as Forever Associates of Zimbabwe FAZ, which is believed to be an extension of the Central Intelligence Organization, is running Mnangagwa's campaign and organized the ZANU-PF primary elections to choose candidates for the next month's election. So the Harare ZANU-PF province chairperson Goduz Masimbrembga, in a circular dated 13 July, directed to all aspiring MPs in the province, expressed the concern over the apparent snubbing of Mnangagwa by Harare legislators. Mr. Mbga said the candidates would now be forced to join the president's activities through the marking of registers. So what is happening is that pama kuenda kurali pese pakutoma kwa register ningauya ningana. This is a sign, Team Zimbabwe. Kana maimbomirira sign, this is a sign nekuti zvadhakwa. Kuona vekwake chaivo vakuaccuswa kuti they are snubbing their own leader. It shows kuti mdara achadiwa kwese. So let us vote and vote Nelson Chamisa and make sure that we win this election. I understand the frustration and the reason why they are trying by all means necessary to push out Xavier Kasukwere. They know kuti totally mdara achaluza mavotes akawanda, because Kasukwere will take a share, mdara utora a share, Nelson Chamisa will be left with no choice but to win this election. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.